sa pangunguna ni Ginoong Jason Adriano at Ginoong John Michael D. Tarik. Floral and physical arrangements sa pangunguna ni Ginoong Christian M. Manahas. Cofradia de la Virgen Divina Pastora sa pangunguna ni Ginoong Paulo R. Corpus. Knights of Divina Pastora sa pangunguna ni Ginoong Marcelino Barrios. Thank you to the Zabat Band for accompanying and following us. La Virgen Divina Pastora. It is believed that the first image of the Divine Shepherdess was brought to Nueva Ecija in the 17th century, while missionaries introduced sheep racing to the region. The statue was venerated at the first church built in Gapan, Nueva Ecija. The image disappeared from the church one day and was later found under a Kalyos tree. This image is enshrined at the Three Kings Parish in Gapan, Nueva Ecija. On December 1963, Pope Paul VI approved the canonical coronation of the image of La Virgen Divina Pastora. Since the original image is privately owned, a church-owned image was used for the coronation ceremony, which was presided by the first bishop